YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to set up and deploy Databricks Asset Bundles. So guys, for this, first of all setting your development of environment for DABS. So guys, before creating bundle, ensure your local machine is ready with the necessary tools. Install Python on your system. If it is not ready, so open your terminal command and simply search the Databricks CIL pip and pip install the Databricks CIL. Then configure your CLI for the authentication Databricks configuration. Then enter your Databricks URL as the personal access token when prompted. Then verify your configuration by running the Databricks workspaces. After that guys, initialize your first Databricks Asset Bundle. So let's create the foundational structure for your new database assets bundle. So create a new empty directory for your bundle project. Navigate into this new directory using your terminal. Initialize the bundle using the CLI command Databricks bundle in. Choose a template or select the none for the minimal setup. Inspect the generated databricks.yaml and configuration while review the default folder structure. Defining the resources and targeting in the bundle. So guys, the databricks.yaml file is the heart of your bundle. Defining what and where to deploy. Open the databricks.yaml file in your code editor and locate the resources section to define your jobs, notebooks or ML models. Add a notebook resource pointing to a Python or a SQL notebook fly. Define a simple Databricks jobs that execute your notebook. Configure the target for the different environment like dev and prod. Specify the different workspace URL for the job configuration for each target. Then guys, deploy your Databricks Asset Bundle. So guys, with your bundle configuration, deploying it to the Databricks is just a one command away. So save all the changes to the databricks.yml file and resource file. Open your terminal in the root directory of your bundle project. Validate your bundle configuration Databricks bundle validate and deploy your bundle to the dev target. Databricks bundle deploy.dev. Confirm the development in your Databricks work UI and run that and develop job access notebook to verify the functionalities. After tip for the successful DAB, use the git control version. Modulize your code into the smaller and test the bundle against the dedicated and development workspace before production. Keep your Databricks CLI up to date to the latest version. So guys, thank you.